guys, so today I'll be showing you kung gets nyo yung Tagalog, ganito na lang. Today I'll be showing you how to do this o paano to gawin. Ganun sa Tagalog, yeah. So, kuha ka muna ng car, any car. Basta, okay. Basta tsaka, punta ka sa car mo, sa loob ka na lang. Press mo to, tsaka i-press mo to ng mabilis hanggang sa makuha itong pink na wheel. Tsaka, kunin mo yung props. Kung nasa inventory, kunin mo na bilis. Kasi baka mawawala na yan. Tsaka punta ka dito sa my fire. Dapat wala yung parang stacks itong block. So, yeah. Lagay mo na lang dito kahit saan. Basta dapat separate sila para mas susunog siya. Para akala nila may premium ka. Alam ko ganyan yung premium eh. Premium. Ayan. So, lagay mo siya kahit saan. Saka, lagay mo siya kahit saan. And tanggalin mo yung mga mali dahil baka, ayan, lagay mo kahit saan. Basta separate sila yung parang ganito. Ayan. Lang. Okay. So, yeah. Yan lang. Okay, so today, magmo-morning routine muna tayo. Okay. Speed up muna natin to, guys. Guys, so ngayon, may nahanap na tayong bahay. Gagawin na lang natin, i-press to arrow. Tsaka i-press ko yung bahay ko yan. So, let's be confusing for first. Like, paano ko to nagawa? Hindi ko naman to binild. Eh. Parang si Bro Kevin nagbibuild kung paano yan. Ganyan talaga yun. Okay, let's park and boom. Ayan. So, let's troll people. Yeah. And now, let's go. Let's just put this on there. And look at that, it's Beanie. Wait lang. Nang ganito ko lang muna. Let's make us small. And like, tanggalin natin outfit natin. Lagay na lang natin like black because we're gonna scare people. Yeah. Okay, so let's keep this. Let's put black. Yan. So, ganyan. Okay. Let's just put scary face and scary face. Sinerch ko tsaka ito lumabas. Let's search scary face. Yung biglet. Ayan! Hindi, light to. Ito na lang, mas nakakatakot. Okay, let's speed this up. Baka ma-first victim na sila. Okay, so save. Let's go. Okay, let's just kahanapin nila tayo. Okay, so like parang sensitive na yung tao. Let's see. Okay, so walang tao. So, punta muna tayo dito habang wala nag-aalam ito. Okay, so just ding dong. Okay, so walang lumabas na tao and just go to this house and it's like this. Haha, may bahay na ako. Hoy, hello mga ate girl. How are you doing, Okay, let's test. Oh my god, look at this. Okay, so mission completed. Let's think. Ayan, okay. Toyota Hilux Dragster. Anong dragster? Okay. Oh my god! What? Okay. Oh my gosh, hello my friend. Let's, Okay, bye-bye muna guys.